Hi Ariel. Can you sit down so I can see? There you go. This is gonna be your third egg surprise, frozen. Okay, what you got there, Ariel? Ariel, what you got there? What is that? Egg surprise. Oh. Let's open it. Ooh, it has chocolate in it. Wow, the chocolate is good. Oh no.
Who was that?
Sand.
Sven.
No, that's Crystal.
That's Crystal.
Okay, you open the egg, Ariel. Wow, good job.
Sticky chocolate.
Alright, what's inside, Ariel? Let's open it more.
Need help?
Daddy will help you. What is it? What is it? Who is it?
Like Sven again.
It's
Or
Kristoff.
Kristoff again. It's the same one? Oh no.
It's Kristoff.
Different color or it's the same color?
Same color.
Same everything? Oh no.
You got two of them now.
Same thing.
Two Kristoff.
Two
How about the
Kristoff.
sticker?
Six.
Wow. Well, I could show like this. Come on.
You're gonna collect them all.
Let's open another one.
Listen up, Daddy.
Okay.
You want that one? Okay.
Should I just sit down, Ariel? So you can see. Wow, that's nice way of opening it. Good job.
Slowly.
Wow. Wow. What's inside? You need help, please, Daddy. Say please.
Please.
It looks like Kristoff again. What's going on?
Oh, I got three Kristoff, huh?
Dipsas.
Kristoff. Oh no.
Again, Kristoff? Oh no.
Ah, it's a Kristoff day today.
Let's open another one.
S. Two. Six.
Wow, you know, you're an expert at opening it, huh? You know how to open it now.
There, from that side. From right here. You open this one like this. Oh no. It looks like olive.
What?
It looks like. You open it while you're videotaping?
Open.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
What's that?
Oh.
Olaf.
Oh.
Olaf loves warm hugs. Wow.
Okay. We'll open the last one tomorrow. We'll open that one tomorrow. We'll open it tomorrow so you have something to do tomorrow.
Yes, Daddy.
You opened a lot.
Wow, look at that. Look at
You
all
have
those
too many.
chocolates.
Yummy.
You have a lot of them, huh?
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, baby.
Bye, Ariel.
Bye.
You happy? Yeah, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.